will discuss on the topic my childhood. It is a very popular topic which is related to a great scientist APJ Abdul Kalam. In this topic we will discuss my childhood. It is a famous autobiography written by Wings of Fire of the celebrated Indian APJ Abdul Kalam. My childhood refers to a section in this book. This section or chapter talks about the early days of Kalam. Furthermore, the chapter gives us an idea of how the childhood of Abdul Kalam prepared him to become a successful scientist and president in future. Much has to do with his upbringing, which Kalam discusses in this section from Wings of Fire. Moreover, Kalam tells us about his parents and siblings here. He also mentions the important role of his friends in his life. In short, one can say that in my childhood, Kalam mentions everything that had an impact on his life. These things shaped him into the successful man he became in future. Abdul Kalam was born into a Muslim family that was middle class. Furthermore, he had three brothers. Moreover, Kalam also had one sister. Furthermore, his father and mother were both of good nature. Moreover, Kalam's childhood house was ancestral. The father of APJ Abdul Kalam lived a life that one say that was very simple one. Nevertheless, his father made all the necessities available to his children. Furthermore, his parents didn't have any education and they were also not rich. Moreover, many outsiders ate with the family every day. Also, Kalam had the qualities of self-discipline and honesty due to his parents. Kalam's family was secular in nature. His family gave an equal amount of respect to all the religions. Furthermore, there was participation from his family in Hindu festivals. Moreover, Kalam heard stories of Prophet and Ramayana from his grandmother and mother. All of this clearly shows the secularism present in his family. Friendship was influential in Kalam's childhood. Furthermore, he had three friends. Furthermore, their religious backgrounds were different. Moreover, there were not a trace of feelings of discrimination among those friends. All these friends, including Kalam, went into different professions. In fifth standard, a new teacher came to the class of Kalam. In class, Kalam was wearing a cap. This cap certainly gave Kalam a distinct Muslim identity. Moreover, Kalam always sat near Ramandha, a Hindu priest's son. This was something that the new teacher was not able to tolerate. Consequently, Kalam was required to sit on the backbench. After this incident, both of the friends felt very sad and told this to their parents. Furthermore, Ramanand's fathers meet with the teacher to inform him not to spread the social inequality and communal hatred. He made a demand that the apology must come. Furthermore, in case of refusal, the teacher must quit. Consequently, there was reformation, the nature of the teacher, and an apology came from him. On one occasion, a science teacher of Abdul Kalam asked him to come to his home for dinner. However, the wife of this science teacher didn't agree to serve Kalam due to her belief in religious segregation. Consequently, the science teacher made a decision to serve food to Kalam. Furthermore, the teacher himself sat beside Kalam to eat a meal. The wife of the science teacher was observing all this behind the door. The science teacher gave the second invitation to Kalam for a meal next weekend. This time, the wife served with her own hands but from inside the kitchen. Kalam's upbringing came to an end when he received permission to go Ramnathpuram for further studies after the end of the Second World War. His father and mother certainly loved. However, this love did not mean they forced their decision on Kalam. My childhood summary brings out the essence of the childhood of this great Indian president in front of the readers. Students are advised to do NCERT question and one extract based question based on the topic. Thank you.